Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, we are going to discover about the Sandbox token and its uses and the price prediction, why the price is exploding. We are going to see what is the future price potential and what's in it for us. When should we enter it or consider entering it, and related with the metaverse. Everything we are going to discover in this video. Please make sure that you watch the video completely till the end. So basically the Sandbox token was actually built in 2011 and the purpose was itself, it is based on the Ethereum blockchain, gaming token, within the virtual world, the buying the land, selling the land, mutual exchange of the goods within the players within this virtual land, the Minecraft you might have heard, everything is linked with this particular sandbox. So this is pretty much very much the token of the virtual world. It has been around for more than a decade, and this is the reason that this is battle ready for something as big as metaverse that was just announced few days back by Zuckerberg. And in fact, even before the announcement of Zuckerberg, it was speculation, and Sandbox token still was very good, performing really great. But the moment Zuckerberg announced it, this value just went on to skyrocket. I mean, as you can see, this is just 1 day chart. Like if I try to open the 1 month chart, if I just see the complete all chart, and like early in 2020, it was 4 cents or something, and then by March or April, when the bull run was peak at this particular year 2021, it was 84 cents, and then the price came back as the Bitcoin crash, everything, the whole market crash, it came back to like 20 cents or something like that, and that's when eventually it rose. And as Mark Zuckerberg announced this particular news, right now it is sitting at $2.70, and at the height it went up till $3 something, $3 plus. In fact, today itself it went $3 plus. Now here's the thing, as we have already seen, like it has a lot of potential, especially related with this metaverse. It has a lot of partners, Snoop Dogg, The Walking Dead, and like the Hell's Kitchen, Atari, and it is actually building the real world thing. And you can create your own land, users can create their own land. As you can see, Minecraft is so much into news these days, like the kids are, and like obviously the kids are crazy about something like Minecraft, but within metaverse this token will also be used. NFTs are also dealt with this particular token, so this is like all in one kind of a solution. So this is actually having a real world solution for the users. Now coming on to the price, what is the future potential of this price? That is one of the questions that a lot of you viewers in this video would want to know about. As you can see, we do not have to look on the price. Like some people might think Bitcoin is $60,000, this is just $2, like $3, it may reach to $30,000 height. It doesn't work like that. Even if it is 1 cent, 10 cents, $100,000, $10,000, it does not matter. The only thing that matters is the market capitalization. That means number of coins circulating multiplied by the price, and market capitalization right now is $2.4 billion. What is the market capitalization of Bitcoin? It is $1 trillion. So for Bitcoin to 10x from there, it has to upgrade its market capitalization to $10 trillion. That is adding another $9 trillion to its market capitalization. For Sandbox to 10x from here, it just has to go from $2.4 billion to $24 billion. To 20x from here, like it just has to reach $50 billion. Ethereum right now is sitting at $500 billion, estimated to go to $1 trillion. Now just imagine this Sandbox, actually there comes a time that it reaches Ethereum market capitalization. That means it would have 250x. 250x, not 250x, then at least 200x from here. That means we are talking about $500 approximately the price. Now is it going to happen very soon? Definitely not. I mean, $500 billion market capitalization is a long shot, but in the near future, like do I see 10x Sandbox, like $20 billion market capitalization? Definitely yes. So definitely this is one of the projects, and in fact one of the great indicators, as you can see, the market capitalization is $2.4 billion, but what is the 24 hours volume? $7.15 billion. That means the market capitalization, the volume that has transaction within just 1 day, 24 hours, it is 3 times the entire market capitalization. This is what is indicating that the demand is huge, and this is why the spike has reached. Now the question comes, should you go out there and blindly just invest at any point you're watching the video? Probably one of the best strategy that you need to understand that however the good the project may be, whenever the price go up, it follows the cycle. Price goes up, price goes down, and then even if when the price goes down, there will be correction of up. There is going to be up and down cycle even when there is an up cycle at the macro level. So how do you utilize it for your advantage? When you see a price jump, something like this happening, do not FOMO in. Do not just jump in just because of fear of missing out. Just try to see what is when the pullback happens. The pullback is definitely going to happen, even if you have to wait for a day or two or even a week. Once the pullback has happened at this point or this point, then you enter it. Probably right now you might see it as a pullback. Try to see whether it is a pullback. At the pullback time, you need to apply. Now the point is, in the long run, definitely it is going to 10x to 20x. So why should you worry even for the full pullback? The reason is simple. Let's say you have put $10,000 at this point, and then next day you're watching your $10,000 converted into $7,000, $6,500. That is not a very good sight to watch. So a lot of people get a little bit nervous, and then some people even sell when the price further goes down. Like you end up in loss. So you rather want, you've put $10,000 over here, next day you're watching it as like $11,000, $12,000. So it's a psychological advantage. In the long run, definitely you will be in positive, and this has a huge potential, and this is the reason that we are covering this particular coin. Now this particular indicator itself is one of the great indicator that market capitalization $2.5 billion and this volume is $27 billion. Now any coin that we see out there that is having a huge pump suddenly like this, should we go out there and invest, wait for the pull and invest? Definitely not. You need to see, is this pump actually is due to the legit reason or not, whether there is a backing up with goods or not, whether there is a network of solution or not. So definitely this is the reason we have covered the exact usage of the sandbox and where is the future potential. When the metaverse implements, the sandbox is going to expand and keep on expanding, even to the extent that we are talking about the $500 billion market capitalization, that is 200x from here. That is also possible to some extent. Now the point is, like as you can see, within the metaverse you can buy land, sell land via the sandbox token, along with the mana token or the Decentraland token that we covered a few videos back. By the way guys, this channel is everything about how do we grow our finances, and the goal of this channel is to make our viewers financially independent. These days the crypto is very much in one of the most important industry. That is the reason we are covering very much the crypto thing, to ensure that this gives benefit to our users, as well as we are also going to cover in the future everything related with the metaverse, the new upcoming projects related with the metaverse, because that's where the puck is going to be. The trillions of dollars are going to flow into. Apart from that, the affiliate marketing and everything. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about growing your finances, and that is what the goal is. Again guys, so this is the sandbox. As you can see, the punchline itself at the website, the website's domain is sandbox.game, is play, create, own and govern a virtual metaverse made by players. So this is like made by players. You can create the land, sell the land, you can exchange the products, create the avatars, buy the NFT. Everything is related with this. So definitely the metaverse is the future, and sand is going to play a huge role in that. And that is the reason the price is jumping up, and this is just the beginning. Let me tell you guys, the price is going to go a really lot higher, and in fact you need to really focus onto this metaverse thing, because the world's biggest company, Facebook, just imagine, they have gone all into the extent that they have rebranded to Meta. That means a big thing. That means a huge entire industry is going to be created. So big money making opportunities out there. Definitely you need to explore, you need to watch out, you need to see. Please ensure that you subscribe our channel, because we are dedicated to covering all the opportunities to give you guys beforehand. And comment down below for the best takeaway from this video, or anything you would want to see in the future, or any questions that you may have. I'll personally try to answer each one of you guys. Do smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Do ensure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video.